World Anvil, I'm coming for you. Let this be my official declaration for war. Your predatory pricing and subscription models, your slow service speeds, and your proprietary data format. It's not cool, man. It's not fucking cool. So let it be known that there's a new boy in town. There's a new app in town. It's called Chronicler. And we are taking our world back into our own hands. We are taking data ownership back. We are taking software ownership back. Chronicler is a free offline world-building tool. There will be a one-time payment to unlock special features in the future, like interactive maps. But right now, the focus is to provide the free core, which is everything that you're seeing right here. So yeah, watch out. Na 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 na. Chronicler.